Good morning, children. Children, today I am going to deal with some more facts about the subtraction. Now, let us revise the concept of subtraction. Now, here, children, in subtraction, the facts that are mostly used is minuend, subtrahend, and the difference. Now, here, children, now in the subtraction, minuend is the greatest number and then subtrahend and difference. They may be subtrahend and difference may also differ. So here is an example: 89,770 and 57,660. So I have put down these numbers in a place value chart, and according to the rules of the subtraction, minuend is written first, after that subtrahend, and the result is called the division. The algebraic expression keywords for the subtraction is, this is the sign of the subtraction, dash. So what are the keywords which are used, which are related, associated with the subtraction? Decreased by, minus, less than, distance between, fewer than. Now children, let us start chapter number 2, worksheet 6. In this we will deal with the properties of subtraction. Now here children, whenever we are writing subtraction, we always use this subtraction sign, dash. Dash is the sign of subtraction. Now come to the first property. The first property is zero property of subtraction. In this property, zero is always taken as subtrahend. As in the subtraction we know, this is minuend, subtrahend, and this is the difference. So in zero property of the subtraction, listen carefully children, in zero property of subtraction, zero is always as a subtrahend. Zero is always as a subtrahend. Now let us take an example. 88 minus 0. So here 88 is minuend and 0 is a subtrahend. What is the result? 88. Now come to the second property. If we subtract a number from itself, if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. What is the difference, children? 0. Let us clarify with the help of example. 45 minus 45. 45 is the number. And this 45 is subtracted by the number itself, that is 45. Then what is the result? 0. Now come to the third property. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. I have discussed it about this property, zero property. So here, if a number is subtracted with 0, then the result is the number, difference is the number itself. For example, 88 minus 0 is equals 88. Now come to the property number 4. In subtraction, the order in which the number are subtracted is important. In subtraction, the order in which the number are subtracted is important. Now let us take an example, 76 and 55. So let us subtract this number. So here, all of you see, 76 is subtracted with 55. or we can say 55 is subtracted from 76. It gives a result. But if we change the order of this number, 55 is subtracted with 76. In another language, 76 is subtracted from 55. Is the results are same in both case difference? No. The results are they are not equal. If 55 is subtracted from 76, then the difference whatever we are getting is not equal to when 76 is subtracted from 55. In subtraction, the changing the order of the number does not give the same answer. It is very important. Always remember this thing. In case of addition, the change of the order of the addends are same. If the order of the addends are changed, but the result is same. But this thing is not happened in the case of subtraction. If the order of the number which are subtracted are changed, then the result will also be changed. Now let us take an example with the help of this worksheet number 6. Children, question number 1, subtract a 16 minus 0. Here this is the 0 identity. I have taught you this property. This is the property 0 property of subtraction. So 16 is subtracted with 0. When a 0 is subtracted, when the 0 is taken away from a minuend, when 0 is taken as in subtrahend, then the difference is the number itself. So here when a 0 is subtracted with a number, or when a 0 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is the number itself. So 0 is subtracted from 16, difference is 16. Correct? Now come to B. 78 minus 0 is what? Same. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. 78 is the answer. Come to C. 82 minus what is equals 82. So here we see that a number is subtracted with what, so that the difference is 82. Now we should remember that point. When a number is subtracted with 0, then at that time the difference is 82. Here minuend is 82 and difference is 82. It means the minuend must be subtracted with 0. When 0 is subtracted from 82, so the difference is 82. Come to D. 432 is subtracted with what to get 432? So here again we should remember the property that when a 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. So 432 is subtracted with 0, then the result is also 432. Now come to the next question, E. What is subtracted with 0 to get 732? With whom I will subtract? 0 is subtracted from which number to give the difference 732? So all of you know the property that when a 0 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is the number itself. Here the difference is 732. So 0 is also subtracted from 732. Come to F. 0 is subtracted from what to give 1689? Same. 0 is subtracted from which number to give the result 1689? So 0 is subtracted. When a 0 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is the number itself. So here the result is 161689. It means 0 is subtracted from 1689, so that the result is same, the number itself. Now come to G. 457 is subtracted with what to get 457? We know the property that when a 0 is subtracted from a number, then the difference is number itself. So here 0 is subtracted from 457 to give the difference 457. Come to H. Now come to H. 0 is subtracted from what so that the difference is 6955. So here according to the property, 0 is subtracted, when a 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is number itself. So here the difference is 6955, so the minuend is also 6955. Now come to next question, I. 513 is subtracted with what so that the difference is 513. So here if we subtract 0 from 513, the result is 500 will be 513. Now next question, 0 minus what is equal to 0? So obviously when 0 is subtracted from 0, when 0 is subtracted from 0, result is 0. Next, K. 279 is subtracted with what so that the difference is 279. 279 is subtracted with 0. 0 is subtracted from 279, the difference is number itself, 279. Now L. 0 is subtracted from what to give the result 444. So here also 0 is subtracted from 444 to give the result difference 444. Now next question, M. 666 is subtracted with 0, then the difference is 666. Now N. 0 is subtracted from what so that the difference is 100. 0 is subtracted from 100 to give the difference is 100. Now O. Next question, 100 is subtracted with what to give the result 100. So 0 is subtracted from 100 to give the result 100. Now next question, 0 is subtracted from what to give 9999. 0 is subtracted from 9999 and 9999, then the difference is also 9999. Now let's start with the next topic, subtraction orally. Here we will learn how to subtract with a number with zeros. Now let's start with the first. Subtracted 30 from 90 orally. Now there are 3 steps in order to subtract these digits with number with 0 orally. You can do it very easily, children. Now remember, always pay your concentration on the first step. First step is check the minuend and subtrahend are in the same place, that is tens. Here all of you see that 90 is a minuend and 30 is a subtrahend, and this 90 it belongs to tens place, tens, and 30 is also belongs to tens. So firstly always check that this minuend and subtrahend are in the same place, that is tens. Correct, children? This is the first step. Now come to the second step. Second step, all of you see that in 90 and 30, 10 is on the right side of the number. In 90, 0 is on the right side, 10 is on the right side. In 30, 10 is on the right side. So here 10 is there, and here also in 30 10 is there. So in difference 10 will be on the right side. Correct? So 10 will be on the right side. Here 90 is having 10 on the right side, 30 is having 10 at the right side. So the difference will also have 10 at the right side. Now third step. Third step is that let's subtract the digits in the number, both number. In 90, 9 is the digit. Subtract 9 minus 3. So what do we get? 6. So then we write towards the, along with 0, to the left side of the 0, 6. So this is 60. Now come to the next example. Subtract 500 from 900. So firstly, from 900, 900 is minuend. Subtract, give the subtract sign. 500 is subtrahend. Now remember the first step. We have to check the minuend and subtrahend are in the same place. Let's see. 900, 500. See, 900 is in the 100 place and 500 is in the 100 place. So both the numbers are in the same place, that is in hundreds. Now come to the second step. Second step is we have to see that whether these both numbers 900 and 500, the two zeros in both of them are on the right side of the number. When in 900 and in 500 two zeros are on the right side of the number, then hence in the difference also the two zeros will be on the right side of the difference. This is the second step. Now come to the third step. Let's subtract the digits from minuend. It is we take 9, from subtrahend we take 5. So subtract 5 minus 9, we get 4. So I will write down this 4 towards the left side of these two zeros. Correct, children? Now come to the example number 3. Subtract 2000 from 6000. Step number 1. Check the minuend and the subtrahend are in the same place. Here the minuend is a 6000 and subtraction sign, and this is the 2000 is a subtrahend. So firstly check that this 6000 and 2000 are in the same place, that is thousands. 3 zeros are here, thousands. So same 3. Now come to the second step. In 6000 and 2000s, the 3 zeros are there on the right side. In 6000, 3 zeros are there on the right side, and 2000, 3 zeros are there on the right side. So the same 3 zeros will be in the difference also. 6000's 3 zeros are on the right side, 2000, 3 zeros are on the right side. So same 3 zeros will be on the right side of the difference. Now let's third step, subtract the digit 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 is the difference. So I will write on the left side of the 3 zeros, 4000. Now children, let us do worksheet number 7. Subtract orally 60 minus 20. In 60 and 20, both of these numbers are in the same place, that is tens. First step. Second step, the 60 is having 1 0 on the right, 20 is also having 1 0 on the right side, so the difference will also have 1 0 on the right side. Third step, subtract 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 40. Similarly, now B, 90 minus 20. Here 90 and 20 are in the same place, that is tens. First step. Second step, whether 90, in 90, 1 0 is at the right side, and in 20, 1 0 on the right side. So hence in the difference 1 0 in the right side. So now third step is subtract 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now C, 40 minus 30. Here 40 and 30 both are in the same place, that is tens. Now second step, 40 is having 0 in 1 0 in the right, and 30 is having 1 0 in the right, so the difference will also have 1 0 in the right. Now third step, subtract 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equals 1. I will write on the left side of this 1 0, 10. Now D, 80 minus 30. Here 80 and 30 both are in the tens place. Now 80 is having 1 0 in the right, 30 is having 1 0 in the right. So in difference will also have 1 0 in the right. Now third step, we subtract 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5, and write just along with this 1 0 towards the left side of the 0. Now come to E, 400 minus 200. So this 400 and 200 both are in 100 place. First step. Second step, 400 is having 2 0 on the right, 200 is having 2 0 on the right. So the difference will also have 2 0 on the right. Third step, subtract 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. I am writing towards the left side of the 2 zeros. Come to F, 700 minus 300. Firstly, 700 and 300 are in the 100 group. Second thing, 700 having 2 zeros on the right and 300 is having 2 zeros on the right. So that in the difference will also have 2 zeros in the right. Third, we subtract 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So difference is 400. Come to G, 8,000 minus 6,000 equal to what? Here 8,000 and 6,000 are in the same place, that is thousands. Now 8,000 is having 3 zeros in the right and 6,000 is having 3 zeros in the right. So the difference will also have 3 zeros in the right. Third step, we subtract 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So answer is 2,000. Come to H, 7,000 minus 4,000. 7,000 and 4,000 are in the same group, that is in hundreds place. Now 7,000 is having 3 zeros in the right and 4,000 is having 3 zeros in the right. So the difference will also have 3 zeros in the right. Now subtract 7 minus 4, that is 3,000. Next I, 27,000 minus 17,000. 27,000 and 70,000, 17,000 are in the same place, that is thousands. Now 27,000 is having 3 zeros in the right, 17,000 is having 3 zeros in the right. Now third step, so here the difference will also have 3 zeros in the right. Now third step, we subtract 27 minus 17, that is 10. So the answer is 10,000. Come to J, 45,000 minus 4,000 equals what? Here 45,000 and 4,000 are in the same place, that is thousands place. Now 45,000 is having 3 zeros in the right and 4,000 is having 3 zeros in the right. So the difference will also have 3 zeros in the right. Now subtract 45 minus 4, that is 41. So answer is 41,000. Now K, 99,000 minus 9,000 equal to what? 99,000 and 9,000 are in the same place, that is thousand place. And 99,000 is having 3 zeros in the right and 9,000 is also having 3 zeros in the right. So the difference will also have 3 zeros in the right. Now subtract 99 minus 9, that is 90. So difference is 90,000. Now L, 16,000 minus 11,000 equal to what? 16,000 and 11,000 are in the same place, that is thousands place. 16,000 is having 3 zeros in the right, 11,000 is having 3 zeros in the right. So the difference will also have 3 zeros in the right. Now subtract this 16 minus 11, that is 5. So difference is 5,000. So bye bye children, have a nice day.